Okay, we're just walking through.
So this is the only hangout space.
This is the only hangout space, but
it's pretty big.
it's larger than normal for the 40s house.
And
like
it has
it's
good flow. You don't have to walk across the.
Yes, exactly. The whole diagonal thing that happens.
This is a pocket door.
Another pocket door.
I love
Okay.
pocket doors. Okay.
Okay, so
This is yeah.
carpeting that needs to be ripped out. And again, newer windows. Typical size. But yay,
Help
pretty
door.
bright. That's nice. Okay. And it looks, and this is built-in,
Old
like
closets.
old closets. Wallpaper again. Old heating and air. Okay, now this is the bathroom. Which is, and this is one of the bathrooms.
Bathroom one.
Bathroom one. Thinking about just taking this counter out and just putting a brand new counter. And it's kind of gross.
And resurfacing.
And resurfacing this, I'll tell you about the porcelain finishing on this one. You can do it. It's pink, unless you like pink.
There's a lot of storage in here.
There is some storage.
A lot. Look at that.
They might have had, that's good. They might have had like a shower at one point there.
Oh.
Maybe. I don't know.
Okay, then they have this closet outside.
Kind of like an extra bedroom closet, which if you wanted to incorporate in one of the rooms, you could maybe take it. This is a pretty big room. This is bedroom number 2. It's pretty large. I didn't bring my measuring tape, but. And here's bedroom 3. This is where we're getting all funky here. Okay, this is nice. It goes out to the backyard. It's got some newer windows.
These two are
And it's slightly smaller, yeah. And this is a big closet. And then what happens here is this door goes to the kitchen, which we were thinking about just closing off. So then you could have, you got the model here, Julie. And then we close this up, and then here's the bathroom. You can make this into a better closet here, but maybe you can just close all of this off. And then here's a 3/4 bath.
Toilets back here.
Toilet back here. Like kind of petite. So one of the things, we had a crazy idea, and we'll show this to
There's
you.
a light in the shower.
Oh, that's good. Little surprises. Woo. So we're gonna go out the back here, and the backyard's really big, but it needs resurfacing because it's got all these roots, kind of making it go crazy. But as you can see, here's the wall, and it seems to be at a diagonal, and then there's the 2-car garage. But it's a pretty large lot. And what we were thinking here is to make this bedroom larger, and I'm getting back, and pushing out the bathroom, is that there's this patio here. I'm getting back as far as we can, 1 second. There's the patio, this door, pushing it back to the roof line, and making the bedroom and the bathroom much bigger. You could probably have a dual sink and just a larger master.
But it wouldn't be like pouring foundation or anything.
Right. I mean, you could just basically, you already have the roof, so at least you got that. So you could do, it would just be like, you'd have to have some foundation, some raised foundation, but it'd be relatively more affordable than most additions to do. And then we thought of this nice area back here, since it wouldn't be that hard. It's got a large yard, 2-car garage here. It's to making this area into an office, which is quite large. Like that's almost a small 1-car garage, not really, but a mini car garage. But making it into an office for you. Oh.
Peaches?
I have no idea. Are they peaches?
Oh my god, it's huge. Peach tree.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
I've never seen stone fruit on here. Wow.
So this is the funkiness of
And there's a whole bunch of like funky greenery. Some of what need to be cleared.
The property line, but it feels real wide and spacious.
Yeah, it does. It feels like a really big lot overall. So, there we go. And the roof looks like it's okay. Electric is outdated. There's a thing over the, like an attic fan. There's a garbage bag, so that's leaking, but that could be an easy fix. And then this looks like it's relatively good. This is relatively newer poured, the driveway.
Oh, yeah.
So that's good. And the windows are newer. So it does need some.
Windows, right?
All the windows seem to be new that I can see.
Garage door.
A new garage door. It's just that there's work to be done on the inside, obviously. So, okay, thank you.